Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath doubling down on that attack on the Congress party, the Razakar reference that he had made, talking about the ancestors and the predecessors of the Congress party, that has been reiterated once again in another rally that Yogi Adityanath addressed in Maharashtra.
खड़गे जी, मेरे ऊपर गुस्सा मत करिए, मैं तो आपकी उम्र का सम्मान करता हूं। आपको गुस्सा करना है तो निजाम पर करिए, हैदराबाद के निजाम को। जिस हैदराबाद के निजाम के रजाकारों ने आपके गांव को जलाया था, हिंदुओं की निर्मम हत्या की थी, ये सच्चाई रखिए। आप वोट बैंक के लिए इस सच्चाई को देश के सामने रखने से कोताही कर रहे हैं।
Aman now joining us live, getting us more details from Polbound, Maharashtra. Aman, Yogi Adityanath there hitting back in equal measure as far as the Congress president's attack went against him.
Expected, Poonam. This was Yogi Adityanath was here today in Maharashtra. For the first time after these comments were made by Mr. Kharge against him. First, Mr. Kharge had questioned his attire, his different attire. Then he had also, poked fun in a way at his physical appearance, and then had said that his Batoge, Katoge kind of comments are made by terrorists. Why is the chief minister, elected chief minister on a constitutional post, making such remarks? So clearly, Yogi Adityanath was expected to react to these comments when he was in Maharashtra today for 3 rallies, and he very much has taken on Mr. Kharge on these remarks, in the BJP camp feels that more Mr. Kharge and more that the Congress leaders, attack the BJP on the slogan of "Ek hai to safe hai" or "Batenge to patenge." They are making the BJP job easier of consolidation of the Hindu vote in a way. The OBC, SC, ST vote, general caste coming together, it helps the BJP's cause. So BJP feels. In fact, some leaders saying that the Congress is falling into the BJP's trap here by trying to take on the likes of Yogi Adityanath and even the Prime Minister's slogan of "Ek hai to safe hai." Even the Prime Minister today at his rallies in Maharashtra, so far the 2 rallies he has been to, he has again reiterated this comment that "Ek hai to safe hai." In a way, BJP is trying for this consolidation because it feels that, what went wrong in the Lok Sabha parade was that the Maratha, Muslim and the Dalit consolidation happened for the Mahavikas Aghadi. These 2 slogans now, "Batenge to patenge" and "Ek hai to safe hai," is trying to bring back the Dalit vote into the camp of the BJP, along with some section of the Maratha vote also, given that Eknath Shinde is the chief minister and the Maratha face, in a way, of this Mahayuti alliance.
And Aman, there was a new twist that was given by the Prime Minister as well to this "Ek hai to safe hai" message, isn't it? He linked it to reservation as well today, to going on to say that the Congress will snatch your reservation if you don't unite and if you get divided into these castes.
Well, absolutely. And, there is a twin message, Poonam, rightly as you say, that the Prime Minister is trying to say, "Ek hai to safe hai," is to keep all the castes together. He's saying that Rahul Gandhi is trying to pit one caste against the other in the name of a caste census, and that is what is not all right. What Prime Minister is also very, very clearly saying that, look, if we remain together, nobody can take away our reservations. He's raising this point, which has been raised many a time in this election, that the Congress wants to give 10% Muslim reservation, that they have tried it in other states like Telangana, like in Andhra Pradesh. So they will bring that to Maharashtra as well if they are voted to part. The whole Ulema Council letter, which had come out with Congress denied even accepting it or acknowledging it, but still that narrative, I think, has gained ground in Maharashtra, that the Congress is trying to do appeasement politics. And Amit Shah saying at one rally that if they take away 10%, if they want to give 10% Muslim reservation, तो किसका कम होगा? He said किसका कम होगा? SC, ST या OBC के reservation से निकालकर reservation Muslims को दिया जाएगा. That's what Amit Shah said. So the BJP is going ahead very much on this narrative to say that the reservation is in danger because of the Congress party, not because of the false narrative that the Congress spread during the Lok Sabha elections, that the reservation will go if the BJP comes to power. BJP, in fact, turning the issue on its head and saying it is the one which is standing for reservation and protecting the constitution, while the Congress wants to do an unconstitutional thing of getting 10% Muslim reservation, which will deprive the SC